having a diversified workforce and having a workforce with representatives from all strands of society, from both sexes, is absolutely key to business success. So the ability to have women not just in the workforce but in leadership roles alongside people from other groups really does give us organisations that really are thinking round problems, thinking round issues from all angles, and we're not simply getting one way of approaching problems, but we really are getting that rich mixture. And for those reasons, we really do need to encourage women not just into the workforce, but we need to encourage them into leadership roles. Once women are in the workforce, that's not the end of the issues that they face. So when women are developing their career, often we find that they have issues being carers, they need flexible working, they will often need to work from home, and sometimes to leave work at very short notice. Now, that's not to say that men don't face the same issues, but for women trying to develop their career, they're often the reasons that they give us for not going into leadership, not developing their careers into leadership roles. Often time away from the workforce as well, while they're bringing up children and then coming back to work as returners, means that they will have lost some of their skill base while they've been away. And these are things as an employer that we need to be tackling. Of the BMT workforce, only 27% are women, and of those only around 10% are in engineering roles, and it really is time that we work with those women in order to start to encourage them into leadership roles, so that we really do make sure that globally we have a diversified leadership of the organisation, both now and in the future. We're really excited about the BMT2gether Development Programme, which is going to be targeting women and really helping them to develop their careers within BMT. We have a global female workforce, and we want to be able to develop each and every woman. We're going to be concentrating on interactive e-learning, live webinars, live web chats in order to link women right across BMT. And that means that they're going to be able to share not just the content of the programme, which is being specifically developed to cover cutting-edge leadership topics, but also it means that we're going to be able to share right across the organisation, and that really will enrich women's experience of the programme, because they really will be mixing and sharing issues from all different parts of the globe. So we think that by linking women up in this way, from giving them the very best of input on leadership skills, we really will encourage women to take that next leadership step in their career. And that's not saying that we intend to positively discriminate or to develop women at the expense of other people, or to develop women and give them roles that they're not suited for just because they're women. But there really is a lot of catch-up work that needs to happen here, and we are passionate about developing all of our young people in the workforce. But there is no doubt that the time has come where we really do need to pay special attention to women. So by 2020, we want to increase our female workforce. So at the moment, that's at 27%. We'd like to see that well up in the 30s by 2020. But most importantly, we want to see more women in leadership. At the moment, we have 6 female directors across BMT. By 2020, we would like to see that number at least doubled. And that's something that we believe that the BMT Together Development Programme, together with new ways of encouraging women into the workforce and staying in the workforce, will help us to achieve.